Hello, this unboxing is for the Kraken Z73. It's a 360mm liquid cooler with an LCD display. Retails for around about £250 at the time I've made this video. So let's have a little look at it. So first thing is a manual with a parts list and instructions on how to fit it. Breakout cable set, micro USB cable. So you get everything you need to fit it. So that's the manual for it. Let's pull this out and see what we get in here. This massive box out of the way. There's one fan. That's the cable pack. Bag of fittings. Two more fans. And then this is the cooler and radiator combo. Got to be careful because the paste is pre-applied. So I'm going to try and take this bag off. Oh, failed already. I'm going to try and take the bag off without knocking the cover off, but that's obviously going to be impossible. So there we go. So the paste is pre-applied, which is kind of interesting. Oh, actually, you can lock that on, so maybe I should have done that. Anyway, nothing else in that box, so we'll just get that out of the way. And there's the actual radiator. What I'm interested in is how long these cables are. So I'm just going to get a tape measure. There might be some variation with the manufacturing process, but let's just see roughly how long they are. So I'll just do the braided bit. So the braided bit is about 37 centimeters. So that kind of determines where you can fit the radiator. You can twiddle things around a bit. I'm finding it, I'm just trying to find a little where it wants to go. It kind of wants to go like that. But that's not going to work, is it? There's no way that's going to fit in a case like that. So you're looking at mounting it sort of like that, or on the top, which is where I tend to put them. You hear that? Probably not. There's a bit of a slosh, so there is some air in it. That's to be expected. It's virtually impossible, in a cost-effective way at least, to take all the air out of these kind of things. So they take like most of it out. Plus you have to allow a little bit of an air gap for the sort of thermal expansion and contraction of the fluid. So hearing a little sloshing noise when you shake it is perfectly normal. This one's got a little display on it and a reminder to connect all cables. So let's just move that to one side. So that's 360mm, that rad. So you get 1, 2, 3 120mm fans to go on it. This box here, what box is it? This bag here contains all the different fittings for Intel and AMD. So it doesn't matter what processor flavour you've got, the bits are all in there. And this bag, we'll just have a look inside this bag. This bag has got the cables that you need. So there's a USB 2 header with a little micro USB on it, which is going to be so that the CAM software can communicate with it. And then there's a breakout cable here which has got the SATA power input on it, and it's also got the various fan connectors and the motherboard header as well. So you obviously get everything you need to fit it. Right, so any questions about that, then obviously stick them in the comments. Liking and subscribing is appreciated, and as ever, thanks for watching.